The Garden Tool Set of 3 by Ergonomic is a fantastic choice for gardeners who struggle with hand joint damage or arthritis. This set includes a digging trowel, a cultivator, and a fork, all designed with upright handles to provide comfort and ease of use. The ergonomic padded soft grip handles are a standout feature, reducing wrist and hand strain while offering a secure grip. This thoughtful design makes gardening more accessible for those with limited hand strength or mobility. Crafted from heavy-duty stainless steel, these tools are not only durable, but also resistant to rust and breakage. They can withstand harsh conditions and are easy to clean, ensuring a long-lasting addition to your gardening arsenal. The full-size tools are built with advanced alloy materials, making them suitable for a variety of tasks including digging, weeding, aerating, and transplanting. What sets this set apart is its special design tailored for individuals with joint issues. The upright handles reduce the need for excessive bending and twisting, which can be painful for those with rheumatoid arthritis or similar conditions. This makes gardening a more enjoyable and less strenuous activity than if you're looking for a thoughtful gift for a gardening enthusiast who faces challenges with traditional tools. This set is perfect. It's a wonderful choice for elderly parents, friends, or anyone who loves gardening but needs a more comfortable solution. With its blend of durability, ergonomic design, and practicality, the Garden Tool Set of 3 is truly a game-changer for anyone passionate about maintaining their garden despite physical limitations.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.